enjoy the jungle, the mountain, the desert, anything you want. I was meant to.
Hello there. Yeah, it's me going in the forest, sleeping in the forest for one night. Not exactly 24 hours, but something close to it. This time, without any equipment except some extra clothes, a knife up here, yeah, and a fire steel. I have my mobile phone with me, but besides of that, I'm quite naked, yes. For even like for me, long time being outside, it's the first time really like no sleeping bag, no sleeping mattress, so whatsoever, you know. And I'm pretty excited. I hope you are excited as well to see what's coming, how I'm gonna struggle, but this is right now just a training to get prepared for future projects coming. Hallelujah. So, I found the first goodies. I just will spell German name for it. Grumbeere. Don't know the Latin or whatever. I will look it up. There are some blackberries as well. Let's see if they are any sweeter. Oh yeah. But they are quite at the end of the season. Delicious. So basically, yeah, that's a quite easy game right now. I know this forest quite well. So I know the areas where the fruits are. I know a place where I can find white apples. So you're gonna see that. This one called... Oh, actually there are some acorns. Oh man, food for sure. Hey, I'm gonna take what I can find. Stored in my nice pockets up there. So today I'm probably gonna close to a lake. Not straight up the lake, but I know this water source, so I can get my hydration up there. Oh, this one is still good. This as well, I didn't know. I think it's elderberry, but I don't know. Quite sour, rich in vitamin C. A lot of bitterness is inside. Okay, keep going. Snackety snack. Exactly at the moment when I was thinking, where I can find some rope. Somebody left his rope as garbage behind. Here's the lake. Now I'm gonna get me some apples. And for that I need to go into the water. Ooh, nice. I might take a swim as well. They're not quite done yet. You see, the housing is not done. The seats are really still white. But free nutrition, man. So I gather some up, take a swim, and proceed. Okay, that's my booty. So I found me some bottles. I'm gonna fill them up with water. Hopefully I can cook with them. Some water. Yeah. This weather is quite exhausting. So I've got my water here. Yeah, my current situation. I try right now to find a place where I can make my shelter. Actually, shelter is not that quite important. More important would be fire to cook up this water. Actually, I already drank some water from the lake, but not that much. Just a sip. Maybe 500 milliliters. Now, but I know this lake already drank for 2 weeks ago some water from it, and didn't kill me, or I had some crazy diarrhea or whatever. Okay, yeah, shelter time. So I will try to get this guy somewhere up here, this one somewhere up there, and clean this whole area here up, you know. Actually, up there there's a stone. Maybe I can use them to get the fire more secured. And then I will dig deep down into the earth so that the fire is contained as much as possible. But I have to be very, very, very careful. So I choose this area because it's already like cleared out a bit, you know, from this tree. Nothing that can burn inside the earth. I just have to clean up some of the dry grasses up here. Yeah, this is already quite some experience. Also, when I know this area, you know, I almost was thinking of like taking like a constructed shelter in the forest and make there the fire and so on. Maybe it's safer, but not safer in regard for me getting caught, because this is highly dangerous what I'm doing. I know that. So I have to be very careful to either not get caught or to burn the whole fucking forest. What? Both of this equally I don't want. I clean up this area as good as I can. So, and tonight I will sleep under this. I tried to even it a little bit out, but I will put just there a little bit more bedding underneath of this pile of wood. So, and for the bedding, I'm gonna take this grass up there. So let me get there, take some stuff, put it down there, dig a fucking hole here, at least let's say about like this deep, you know. So basically today fire will be just small sticks, a little cooking fire, just a bit for heat and to keep some of the mosquitoes away, but I keep it very low. Another experience, this grass to collect it, I just have a bit up there. It's way too labor intensive, and I just have more or less 1.5 hours left to do all that work. So I will gather some debris maybe. Almost done. Hey, just by the way, a dog passed by. I'm also pretty close to a trail, so let's see how it fits. Oh, fuck. Axel. No, it's too tight. Way too tight, Axel. No, fuck. I'm an idiot. Okay. Wait, maybe without a knife. Okay, let's see if I still can somehow fit in here. Okay, now. But yeah, it's okay. No, it's nice. Pretty warm. I guess I didn't need a fire, huh? But just for the mental thing. So let's see. No, this is not a nice position yet. But yeah, it's okay. No, it's nice. Give it to me, baby. So too tight. Yeah. Maybe I just use the space up here. A little more comfy. Nah, not really, Axel. Fuck. Okay. Oh shit. Back to plan B. Maybe I put it up there. Plan B would be actually to make here someplace. That was my first idea. But then I thought, oh no, you just can pass under these, you know? So sometimes you have to stick to stupid ideas just to stick to some other stupid idea. So I guess I would consider that as done. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's quite comfy. Oh yeah. So if I would have some time, I could use that frame. Yes. Oh fuck, some people coming. Yeah, I'm just waiting until this bottle is cooked. Yeah, and then I clean up the fire so nothing can be seen. Won't go sleeping with a fire tonight because oh damn, I'm already tired. No, I don't want to risk any. Good morning. That was quite some experience. So yesterday I changed my place again. Somehow it starts to getting a bit more windy at night. So I was getting back and it was better because this keeps some warm, you know, for my back. This was also not enough. So yesterday at night, first of all, let's say I totally butchered this challenge.
Remember what I told you.
Nothing when it would be a real situation. You know, I would have used the light of my phone, you know, to get a little bit more batting, you know, especially something to keep me warm at night. Because I thought it's already enough, you know. This was just enough for the first part of the night, and changed again the stuff up to here, lie myself down, sleep a half hour, and it was like, oh no, not really. So I was getting this stuff, and that was quite good actually. Right now, close to 9. Yeah, so I will pack everything up, go back home. So next time, I will be a little bit more smarter and getting way more bedding, way more better shelter. You need something on the top to keep your isolation. But yeah, that's why I was doing that. It's all experience, you know. And so far I didn't never had that experience. Breakfast. Now, there's no beer inside. It's pine needle tea. Pine needle tea. Tree tea. Yeah, what an experience. I always wanted to do that, just going with your knife, fire steel into the forest. I need more practice, yeah, and I want to go straight up super hardcore. So I think bit by bit would be nice. Maybe I'm gonna train the drilling, the fire drilling at home. That would be probably more useful. I'm gonna do a video on that. Oh yeah, and actually that worked yesterday quite well. I was using that as well with another rope to just hang it up like this. So I'm gonna dispose them. There's a trash can just a little bit further there. I'm so much rambling. Just what I wanted to say, more practice, more practice, more practice. And remember, Axel,
Don't be a cunt.
first your shelter, then the fire, water, food, in this order. But yesterday I was quite everywhere. You know, oh yeah, just getting this berries, getting this, getting that, getting here. And then it was 4 o'clock, you know, and I thought like, oh yeah, better find a place. Yeah, just to find the right place was already taking me some while. And then to decide how you're gonna do the shelter and so on. You know, so much time you see it on YouTube and think like, yeah, just a few sticks, putting up there, putting here. I have right now a feeling of deep respect for nature. That happens when you just take your knife, try to build a shelter, try to survive one night in the forest. It's interesting to feel that right now, because I already slept so many times outside, but such a deep respect I never felt that much, you know? Like, just imagine like animals sleeping all the time like that outside. They don't have anything, you know? They just lie down, let some chilly place. Okay, yeah, they do have some fur we don't have, okay? For that we have a little bit more up in the brain, but maybe some of us not that much.